How you doing, YouTube? Policing Pips here, and today's a big day in my journey. Just got funded by TopStep Trader. Roll the intro. First of all, you might be asking yourself, what is TopStep, right? Well, TopStep is a proprietary trading firm that allows you to trade their money, in turn allow you to take a profit split. As you can see here, TopStep allows you to trade either the Forex markets or the futures markets. For me, I jumped into the futures markets because that's where I found my niche. If you're a Forex trader, I do think that they have a very good program as well for that. You could take a look and see how much money they paid out so far this year in 2021, how many funded traders they have, how many countries they've represented, how much percentage of funded traders actually say that their trading got better by doing this program. You can get 20% off your trading combine if you enter your email, or you can go click the link down in my bio and get $50 off. That'll be helpful for you and for me. I think they get a little referral fee or whatever. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Basic intro to what TopStep is, and now we're going to go into how I got to this point and what it means for me moving forward. The rules are sort of simple, but also a little bit intricate, right? So I'll break it down as best I can without overwhelming you at this point. They have rules for 3 reasons, obviously: managing your downside, to protect your profits, and to reduce your risk. So you want to do all these things to become a better trader, and that will help you. If you follow these rules, you get the funding. At the same time, you also are building up a better solid foundation. So for me, how did this work? Personally, I wanted to get as much capital as I possibly could with the most amount of room to be able to grow my account. I had chose the $150,000 account. It costs $375 a month, and your profit targets here, $9,000 profit target in step 1. You could trade up to 15 contracts at a time. Your daily loss limit is $3,000, and your weekly loss limit is also $3,000. A trailing max drawdown, which means as you grow your account, your max drawdown also follows you up. It stops at your initial balance of $150,000 on this account, right? They have all these rules here that you have to follow to a T, or else you fail out. I failed out for breaking a permitted product at permitted times rule, and then I revenge traded on that, and I failed out because I tried to catch up to that silly mistake. So don't compound your mistakes is really the thing I want you to get out of this. I did pass step 1 eventually, and I did so with ease as far as profit targets were concerned. I just needed to follow these rules a bit more strictly. I made that $9,000 in 5 days, and that was the minimum number of trading days, and I moved on to step 2. When you're in your combine, this is the dashboard that you're going to see. This is what I see. This is step 2's dashboard, right? It gives you a simple breakdown of your account balance, your average winning days, your average losing days, your targets, and the rules that you should follow. As you can see, all my check marks are checked off, meaning that I did pass, followed all the rules, did not break any. Along the way, this will show you your profits, your targets, and everything like that. My average winning day actually went down because the last 3 days, I hit my target on day 8. 3 days, I did only trade quick micro trades just to get my days in, drawing down at all anymore at that point once I hit that profit target. As you can see, also the rules state that you need to trade a minimum of 10 days, reach the $9,000 profit target, and 50% of your trades need to be held for longer than 20 seconds. They want to see that you're not scalping just quick all the time. You want to have a plan and be sticking to it, and that's what I like to do. You got all these rules down here. Do not exceed that loss limit. Same thing here. Don't let your account balance go below $150,000. And following the scaling plan is a new thing that they added to step 2, which allows you to trade certain number of contracts each amount of gains that you make. So originally you start with 2, then it goes to 5, 10, and then up to 15 contracts at a time. Just because you can trade it doesn't mean you should, and that's something that I learned along the way as well. And then also do not hold positions into major economic events. That's a thing that keeps you afloat as well. So you can see here my chart. I made some solid moves early on. I have videos that I can post up above in a card that'll show you exactly my trading days and what my strategies were to pass the combine. Right now you could see past step 2, I did post that certificate right here. Although I passed step 2 and I'm a fully funded trader at this point, there's still going to be some time, a transition period, where I have to fill out some paperwork and let them make it a decision on how they're going to fund my account and all that. So it's going to be about a week or so until I get my fully funded trader account up and running. But as I do, I will keep you posted. Again, thanks for coming. I just wanted to update you on how my journey is going so far and where I'm going to go from here. So this is a good step. Still a lot of work to be done, but I appreciate you guys following along. Until next time, peace out.